back here in Winter Park. Second day of the season. It's powder day, 6 inches of snow. Just changing lens here because if it's a sunny day, you use this lens, and if it's powder day, cloudy, gloomy, use the clear lens. See that fresh powder right there? It's all ours. Let's go ride. You know what I just realized? Vlogging is kind of weird, especially if I'm just talking to myself and people looking at me like, what the F is she doing? But then if you want to make some money, you don't really care. You just have to thicken your face. Like, he doesn't care. Take a tour.
Ooh.
So this is what I got for Christmas.
Whoa.
Don't you wish you have this car?
You must be rich.
Yes, I'm loaded. JK guys, LOL, it's not really my car. Being pretentious. Alright guys, it is time to go home again. I hope you enjoyed Winter Park and Powder Day. I still don't have a channel yet, so this is just for fun. But if you like this video, I don't even know, video, and take 1,000. Kung gusto ka ng video, palihog lang i-like ang nasa ubos, or pwede gyapon heart or wow or sad face if you really hate it. But I hope you enjoy our trip here in Winter Park, and I'll see you next time. Who's ever watching this, chances are it's my mom who's watching this, clicking to death. I love you, Mama!